guys, this is Maida in behalf of Barry. I am here today in Puzzle Museum and I will tour you around. So this is what they have here. They are published in Philippine Star, and there's the picture of they participate in, I think they're the winner of Guinness Book World of Record. So this is their receiving area, or you can buy a ticket. And for adults is 100 pesos. What kind of a senior?
80 pesos.
Senior is 80 pesos. And kids?
100 per head.
Okay, so 100 adult and kids. Okay,
Yes.
thank you. So I will tour you around. Saan ba ang ano
Dito mo sa may gate na black po.
Sa black. Okay, we're going to the black gate. And they also have a parking area here. And they have a smoking area where you can smoke there. Comfort room or bathroom. It's a big area here. Yes. Oh, I forgot.
Kayo lang po?
Ako lang.
Sige po, ako po yung tour guide.
Okay.
Saan po?
So we have a tour guide. And what is your name?
Sophia po.
Si Sophia. And ano ito dito?
Resort din po.
So Puzzle Museum is they are also a resort. I think they have a room for rent overnight.
5 rooms po.
For overnight or
2 days po.
okay, for 2 days. And they have a really nice swimming pool. There you go, guys. Nice. And how many rooms?
5 po.
They have 5 rooms where you can stay here for 2 days. Yun na ang pinaka-maximum, 2 days.
Opo. Weekends po kasi ang opening po nito ang lagi.
Okay. So you can stay here during weekend and the maximized of stay is only 2 days. So they have the Puzzle Mansion and the Guinness Book World of Record. They are winner, I think, one time, or I don't know. And we'll find out inside. So, ilang taon na ito nag-start?
2012 po.
2012 nag-start.
Opo.
Okay, it was started in 2012.
Welcome po. Lahat po ng nakikita niyo pong puzzle dito ay inassemble at kinolekta ng isang tao lang. Siya po ay si Ma'am Georgina Hill from Taytay, Rizal. Nagsimula po siyang bumuo ng puzzle nung siya po ay 35 years old.
Okay.
So, ito po yung isa po sa puzzle na binuo ni Ma'am Georgina, ang Retablo de Santa Columba, the longest time puzzle. Meron po yung 18,000 pieces of puzzle at nabuo po siya within 45 days.
Okay, so is this the first one or the longest one?
The longest time puzzle.
The longest time puzzle. And how many pieces?
45 days. Ay, 18,000 pieces.
18,000 pieces. And she built this or did this for 45 days. And what is her name again?
Ma'am Georgina Hill po.
Georgina Hill. It's beautiful.
So, ito naman po yung mga glasses puzzle po.
This is also a puzzle?
Yes po.
So this is also a puzzle that she did. Nice.
So, ito naman po yung mga wooden artifacts puzzle naman po. So, dito po, may makikita po kayong mga symbols. Any symbols po. Katulad na lamang po nito, umbrella.
Okay.
Ayan po.
So this is our like a symbol puzzle. Like this one, they have the symbol of. Is it okay. So between these shark, is it shark?
Yes po, ito po.
And there is at the middle is the umbrella. So what do you call this?
Wooden artifacts puzzle po.
Wooden artifact. So it's made of wood.
Yes po.
Okay. And this one is pretty. I like this one. I think it's a girl, no?
Yes po.
Yeah, it's a girl.
So, ito po yung mukha po nung girl.
Yan yung face ng girl. Yun, the face. It's nice. This looks like a Japanese. So it's all wooden.
So, ito naman po ang Las Landeras, the hardest puzzle. Meron po yung 10,000 pieces of puzzle. At nabuo po siya within 12 and a half days po.
How many days?
12 and a half days.
12 and a half.
So, kaya po siya tinawag na the hardest puzzle dahil po yung kulay niya is magkakapareho po. Lalo na po yung shades po ng black.
Okay. So they call this the hardest puzzle because of the color that it's almost the same color. So it's really difficult to identify which one is goes for.
So, this is the 2D puzzle. Bakit po siya tinawag na 2D puzzle? Kasi po, pag ginalaw po natin siya, may makikita po kayong reflection po ng tao na nagda-dive po.
Okay. What they call this?
2D puzzle.
2-day puzzle. So when you move it, there is a person do diving or
Yes
jumping in a
po.
cliff. Nice.
So, ito naman po ang base puzzle. Gawa po siya sa plastic materials with interlocking pieces. Pwede po kayo dito maglagay ng tubig, ng bulaklak, hindi po siya magli-leak. Then, madali na din po siyang mabubuo dahil po may number po siya sa likod. So, lahat po.
So this is also puzzle.
So, yung mga base puzzle po na kinokolekta ni Ma'am Georgina is may, may number po.
Okay.
Yung mga base puzzle lang po. So, ito naman po ang the smallest puzzle. Meron po itong 500 pieces of puzzle. At nabuo po siya within 20 minutes po.
Okay.
Yan po.
500 pieces.
So, ito nga po yung example po ng wooden artifacts puzzle. May makikita po kayo dito ang dancing lady. Ito
Oh
po.
yeah, I can see it.
Eiffel Tower.
Uh-huh.
Tapos po yung bote. Then yung word po na Paris.
Okay. Yeah, I can see it.
Yan po.
Okay.
So, ang lahat po ng puzzle na nakikita niyo po dito ay galing po sa iba't ibang bansa na napupuntahan ni Ma'am Georgina. 50 countries na po.
Okay, so Ma'am Georgina has been into 50 countries. So this puzzles here is from different country.
Opo, binibili niya po yan as a souvenir. At siya na po yung mismo nagbubuo.
Uh-huh. So she bought that as a souvenir and then she's the one that built the puzzle. So it's not...
This is the original certificate of Mrs. Georgina, who was declared as Guinness World Book of Records on November 29, 2012. The largest jigsaw collection sa buong mundo. Meron po siyang 1,028 different set of puzzle at lahat po yun ay nanalo sa Guinness. At ang kalaban niya naman po ay ang Brazilian lady na meron lamang pong 238 na puzzle. So ngayon po, meron po siyang kabuuang 1,400 po na natapos na puzzle. Hindi na po yun madadagdagan dahil po si Ma'am Georgina ay pumanaw na sa edad na 63 years old noong 2014.
Oh, okay. So Ma'am Georgina, the owner of all these puzzles here, has been passed away in 2013.
14 po.
In 2014. So this is it. How many pieces are all of this?
1,400 po.
It's a total of 1,400
Pero ang
puzzles.
kasali po sa Guinness ay 1,028 po.
But the one that's been in Guinness World Record is 1,028.
Si Ma'am Georgina po is high school graduate lamang po ang natapos. Hindi na po siya nakapagpatuloy ng pag-aaral. At ang tanging kabuhayan niya lang po nun ay isa po siyang mananahe. Hanggang sa nakapag-pundar po siya ng batahian at tumago po yun. Nagkaroon po siya ng property sa Taytay Rizal. Dito po sa Tagaytay, ito pong Basel Mansion. At sa Batangas din po.
Okay, so Ma'am Georgina, she did not finish her studies. She only in high school, but she is into businesses like sewing businesses. Oh, I love butterfly. Butterfly.
At ito naman po yung mga icon.
So this is the icons. I can see here Michael Jackson and of course Marilyn Monroe. The prince and the wife, and here is Elvis and Muhammad Ali, the Beatles. I think he's fan of Michael Jackson. He got a lot of fans of Michael Jackson. You know, four. So this
So, ma'am, ito
lot.
naman po yung first puzzle po na binuo ni Ma'am Georgina noong 1980s. Ayan po ang The Mickey Mouse. Meron po yung 5,000 pieces of puzzle. At nabuo niya po yan within 3 days po.
3 days.
Opo. Also, ayan po ay regalo niya sa nag-iisang anak niya pong lalaki.
So this is the first puzzle that he made, and it's a gift for his only son. It has a 5,000 puzzle, and he only finished that for 3 days.
So,
Wow.
ito naman po yung mga animal shape puzzle. Famous
Animal
painting,
shape.
The Big Five and Jesus po.
And the geishas. Here. Pretty women.
So, ma'am, ito naman po ang Josephine Wall. Galing naman po yan sa New Zealand. So, about naman po yan sa fairy and goddess po.
Okay, so this is about fairy and goddess from New Zealand.
Yes po. So, ito naman po yung sea creature po.
The sea creatures. From the movie Free Willy, favorite one. And here's Mona Lisa. So how old when she passed away?
63 years old po.
She passed away when she was 63 years old.
So, ma'am, ito naman po ang Mona Lisa. Meron po yung 1,500 pieces of puzzle. At nabuo niya po yan within 14 hours po.
14 hours for how many puzzles?
1,500 pieces.
1,500. Wow.
So, ito naman po ang 3D wooden dinosaurs. 3D wooden aircraft naman po yung nasa taas.
Uh-huh. Nice. How many times na nag-ano siya sa Guinness, how many times?
Ano po kasi yun is, lahat po ng collection niya po is, lahat po is pinapasok niya ng urn. So, ayun po, dun po siya nanalo ng 2012 po.
Okay. So, bawat collection niya, pinapasok niya na agad.
So, ito naman po ang 4D Cityscapes.
Nice.
So, ito po yung 3D houses po. Nasa baba. And the wild animals naman po. So, ito po si Ma'am Georgina po nung bata pa po siya.
There she is when she was young. She is pretty.
So, ma'am, ito naman po yung 3D landmarks.
Pretty landmark.
Then, ayun po si Ma'am Georgina po nung in-interview po siya sa Rated po. So, ma'am, pwede na po kayo magtikot-tikot, mag-take ng pictures, video, then pagtapos po, visit po tayo sa second floor. Meron po 3 gigas puzzle na binuo si Ma'am Georgina. At ang latest puzzle naman po na ang bumuo naman is anak po ni Ma'am Georgina na lalaki.
Ah, so meron ng second floor.
Opo.
Ah, okay. Included yun sa 1,400?
Opo. Kasama po
So,
yun.
saan ang ano niyan? Ang
Nandito na po ako sa labas po. Ako na po yung nandito sa labas. Okay na po?
Nice.
May oras ka pa, mag-time naman ang puzzle mo.
Oh, they have also some gloves there. So now we're going to second floor, and Sophie said that her son, Ma'am Georgina's son, also have some puzzle here.
So, ma'am, ito po yung first biggest puzzle po na binuo ni Ma'am Georgina. Ang wildlife, meron po yung 33,600 pieces sa puzzle. At nabuo po siya within 1 year and 8 months po.
Oh, that's long.
So, kaya din po ganyan na po yung kulay niya is nag-fade na din po sa araw.
Yeah, it's big.
So, ito naman po yung third biggest puzzle po. Ang tawag po dito is The Life. Meron po yung 24,000 pieces sa puzzle. At nabuo po siya within 6 months po. Also, ayan po yung last puzzle na nabuo ni Ma'am Georgina bago po siya pumanaw.
This one?
Yes po.
Ah, this is the last puzzle that she made before she passed away. Ah, this some interesting here.
So, ito naman po yung second biggest puzzle. Ang tawag po dito is Pop Art. Meron po yung 32,000 pieces sa puzzle. At nabuo po siya within 4 months.
4 months. Really nice.
Ito naman po yung tourist spot po dito sa Pilipinas na pinakustomize ni Ma'am Georgina as a local puzzle po.
Our local spots. Erbuho, Mayon, Stars Your Hero.
So ma'am, nasa loob naman po ng souvenir shop yung latest puzzle po namin na ang bumuo naman po is anak po ni Ma'am Georgina. So ito po yung latest puzzle po dito. Ang tawag po dito is Around the World. Meron po yung 42,000 pieces of puzzle at nabuo po siya within 2 years po.
2 years. And how many pieces?
42,000.
2,000. So this is around the world. Nice. That's a lot. And here you can buy some souvenirs too. They have a lot of items everywhere that you can buy.
So, ma'am, meron po kami mga t-shirt, fridge magnet, and sales puzzle po. So, ma'am, thank you po.
Okay, thank you, Sophie. Wait lang. Ito sa help mo. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Salamat. Thank you, thank you. So you can buy some t-shirts here, scarves. Nice bags. They have some puzzle server. You can choose a lot different kind of puzzles. So here you can buy a lot of different puzzles. So if you love puzzles, just come here in this place. You can choose a lot. This is a famous one picture of Beatles. Alright. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Pwede po ma-storbo lang po kayo sa
Yes.
Pasensya na po. We're researchers po from the La Salle University,
Aha.
Las Marinas. And papaskan lang po kami about survey sa experience niyo po dito sa Puzzle Mansion.
Okay.
Ano lang po, i-scan niyo lang po siya.
Scan.
Yes po.
They are from De La Salle University, and this is about survey of the experiencer in this place. Yes.
Ay, sige po. Wait lang.
May YouTube account po ba?
Ha?
YouTube account niyo po yun.
Yung sa husband ko. Hindi siya sumama sa akong pinalaka.
Ayan. Apo.
So they are from De La Salle University
Eto.
Tourism. That is their course. What year?
Fourth year student po,
So they're
graduate.
graduating. Well, congratulations. Graduate na kayo. Okay, thank you. Ang ano ng husband ko, very in the PI. I did not bring the business card. Very in the PI.
PI?
PI, as in Philippine Island.
There in the PI. Sa YouTube po.
Sa YouTube.
Sige po.
Okay.
Tignan po namin pag na-upload niyo po yan.
Oo, sige, ayan. Nandiyan kayo.
Thank you po.
Okay, thank you then. Alright, so I'm going down now. It's a nice place here. We have beautiful flowers and plants. So okay guys, that's it for today in behalf of Berry Brookshire. Please subscribe and like. Thank you so much. This is Maida. Bye-bye.